In this video, I'm going to show you how you can add and manage extensions on your Microsoft Edge browser. My name is Isaac and this is a minute with AI. So to get started, go over to these three dots here and then tap on them to expose the menu. Then scroll down until you see the option called extensions, and here it is. If I go ahead and tap on extensions, look for this option called manage extensions. If we tap on manage extensions, you will be able to see the already installed extensions on your browser. However, should you want to go ahead and install or get your own extension, choose this option called Get Extensions for Microsoft Edge. So if I tap on it, now this will take us to our extension library for Microsoft Edge. And you can see we have quite a number of them that are available for you. And if you need any of them, just go ahead and click on it. For instance, if I need this language tool, I can just go ahead and tap on it and then click on Get. Now, once I click on Get, this will go ahead and check my browser, and then I'll have here an option to add extension. So I'll tap on Add Extension, and then this will begin downloading the extension. As you can see, it is here. It is being added to Microsoft Edge. And look at that. It is done. And now this will go ahead and finish installation, and I'm good to go. So if I go ahead again here and click on extensions, and then you can see my extension is already here. I can either click on it directly here to open it, and as you can see, it has already been added to my browser. I can now begin to manage it from here. Alternatively, if I go to the library and tap on manage extension, I will also be able to get it here. Here it is under my installed extensions. So that's how you add extensions and manage extensions in Chrome Edge browser. If this video was helpful to you, kindly hit the like button and subscribe to this channel to support me. Thank you for watching, and let's meet in the next video.